Anna from Written Star Technology. We have two brands, IQ and Q-NEX. I'm going to introduce our network digital podium NDP100 to you. This is the NDP100. We may got one bigger screen and the small one, also the Google Lens mic. Already connected the document camera with the NDP100 and the air conditioner. Let's consider this to be. We also have the wireless charging part for the teacher to do the wireless charging of their smartphone, and the drawer for putting some accessories like the handle mic. We also have the space for teachers to put their bag in. Now let's see the details. This big screen, let's consider it to be the teacher's laptop. They could do some operations. The small screen we call touch panel. We could control the display's power here and the external power for the light. Also, we could do the matrix switch. Now let's see, we got 3 screens, 1, 2, 3. If one click, I could make the first screen to show the document camera's contents, and also we could make the 3 screens at the same image. It's very easy to do the matrix switch. If the teachers have the third laptop need to be connected, our HDMI 3 is ready for them. Also, this part we could control the audio and the mic, do the audio switch. If you have some devices need to be controlled by the RS232, it also supports. Now let's consider this to be the air conditioner. One click to turn it off. One click to turn it on, and do the adjustment to change the model. We also support the projector control to be up, down, and stop. The remote control could also be connected with our NDP100. Here we may got 2 icons. If it turned to be green, we could do the adjustment of the big screen up and down to face and meet the teacher's highlight and adjustment. But the key point of our NDP is we have the web console to do the controls by the web. No need to go to the school to turn on the devices one by one. Also, we have the part to do the broadcasting to different classrooms and schedule task to realize the presetting of all the devices turn on and turn off. The public storage for some documents. And the live streaming also supports. The new part of our devices is the meeting part for some meetings scheduled. For the IT admin, they also could go to the dashboard to do some setting and see some data sheets from there, like the groups, the users, and also the devices control. If you want to know more details, welcome to our Q-NEX website.